ba? Kasi ang ganda ng arrangement. So, naku, ate, Mims, thank you ha. Ate.
Ate Ying. Dali yan.
Okay, kailangan picture ako dyan.
Meron tayong pictorials mamaya. At the end, so we'll continue the pictorials. So we will start now.
Okay,
So we need to be